SJ's first night in his big boy crib. It's his first night in his bedroom. There he is. There's Mama's big boy in his crib. All his neat little farm things around the room. Random vacuum. This was Daddy's wall. SJ, we're going to fix this before you actually see it like this. This is the lamb, and that's apparently the lamb's poop. And then this is the cow, and this little guy is buzzing around because the cow's butt stinks. And there's the horse. There's nothing bad on that wall. And then this is Mommy's wall right here. Nothing bad. And then this wall over here is Mommy's wall.